Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts in Canva. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to canva.com and you'll be in your home page. Here click on the brand option. Now in this you'll have to click on brand kits. Now on this page when you click on brand kit, it will show up this page where you can simply upgrade to Canva Pro by clicking on this button. Then choose the duration for which you want the plan for, then click on next. On this page, complete the payment, click on get Canva Pro and you would have successfully upgraded to a premium plan. Now, after this, you can easily add custom fonts on Canva. So that's the catch. You cannot add custom fonts without Canva Pro. You must be subscribed to a Pro plan in order to do this. So on this page after upgrading to a Pro plan, scroll down and click on the add new button after fonts. Now when you click on add new button, it will show up this page where you can easily click on the upgrade button, get Canva Pro, and you'll be able to add your custom fonts by clicking on the add new button. Another way to do this is simply navigate to your project that you're working on. For example, I will open this one. Now click on any of the fonts that will be added on your screen. Or click on the text, add a font on your screen, then click on the text on your project. Now you will see the font option where you can easily click on it and scroll down and you will see upload a font button at the bottom. When you click on this button, it will show up this page if you will not be upgraded to a Pro plan. If you will have Canva Pro, you will see your files directory opening up from your PC where you can easily upload your custom font and use it on Canva. So that's how you add custom fonts on Canva. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.